the role played by our liberation fighters, our veterans, and everyone who contributed and paid a price for the liberation of our country. We also appreciate the fact that the military has assured the commitment to peace, the sanctity of human life, including respect for citizens' fundamental rights. We are conscious of the fact that for the last 5 or so years, our people have endured a lot of suffering to unprecedented levels. We are also aware of the concerns of the international community, SADC, the AU, UN, and EU regarding deteriorating situation in Zimbabwe. We have therefore resolved and agreed on an urgent need for a roadmap to return to legitimacy that includes the following critical signposts. 1, that in the interest of the people of Zimbabwe, Mr. Robert Mugabe must resign, step down immediately in line with the national sentiment and expectation, taking full regard of his legacy and the contribution to Zimbabwe pre- and post-Zimbabwe. That there be a negotiated, all-inclusive transitional mechanism. I'm emphasizing transitional mechanism. And that the purpose and essence and nature and character of that mechanism be agreed upon by all national stakeholders. That there be comprehensive reforms for a free and a fair and a credible election to be held upon the full implementation of those reforms. And that there be an agreed post-election framework to guarantee stability, peace, and national prosperity. That SADC, the African Union, and all the international